30 days ago, another war started. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on Monday, November the 6th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. I've already saw one, the medium Sudoku, and the second one is a tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And I've told you earlier in today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. What I will do in the evening, I will solve I believe the Thursday or Wednesday edition. We have there are 3 puzzles left. Alright, Jigsaw Sudoku number 7400. 7400. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. I think it's a 1-star puzzle, maybe a 2 stars. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 2 stars, I think 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is a 2 stars or a 1-star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here we have 1 single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah, so 1 and 2, do not know in which order. Then the following question, do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes here, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Quadra boxes then, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, here we have a quadra box. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Yeah. Only 1 quadra box. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This shape, yeah, this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another one, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And do we have more? Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 2 here. Alright. And then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 shapes. Yeah, only 2 shapes. Figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me see. Yeah. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me. These numbers, it's not helping me. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 4 there. If you place the 4 there, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here in the same area. So not the solution to place the 4 there, the only place left the 4 should be here. Alright. And now, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there, can be 2. We have a double 2 there, should be a 3. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3 is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Alright. Okay. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. It's not helping me. No. Well. Need to think. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes. So around the 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. Yeah. Come on. This is taking too long, this one. 4, 5. 1, 2. Well. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 5. So we have a 4 and a 5. So I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 should be here. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. These two boxes can be 4. Those two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5. That box can be 5. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 1 here, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. And can be a 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Then. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. And it's connected with that box. So 1 and the 5. You need a 3 here. Could be here, could be there. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Okay, so 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 2 there. If I place the 2 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also 2, but we already have a 2 there. Only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 1. Okay. Then. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4. Can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. This box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 4 and 3 is 4 and 3. So 1 digit left in this quadrant box for number 1. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. 3 and a 4. Well, if I place the 4 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4. But we already have a 4 here. So it can't be 4 anymore. This should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 digit left in this quadrant box for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. Then. Let me see. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Okay. Alright. Then, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. And that box can be 5. We have a 5 here. So the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Alright. Then. Let me see. Need a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Okay. This is 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. This is taking too long. This box can be 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. Wow. 2, 5. Well, this box cannot be a 2 or a 5. So this box is connected with that box, cannot be a 2 or a 5. So It's not a solution, place the 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 box left for number 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. I've marked these 2 boxes with 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 1. That box should be a 4. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 3 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 4 there. If you place the 4 there, then this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. But we already have a 4 there. So can I buy a 4 here? The only place left for 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 5 is connected with that box, should be also 5. This box can be 2, that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. This box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes with earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Yeah. This box. Wait. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left, a 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 2 stars. Yes, definitely a 2 stars. We solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I will do the fix. So, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with other puzzles in the additional of, I believe, the Thursday or the Wednesday edition. I do not know. We will see. Bye bye for now.